To my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Today I am doing a wig review, and this cutie is a Rene of Paris. And this is from their Alexander collection. It comes in this stunning box. This is their couture collection. Comes in this beautiful paper and such. This is Miss SAFI. I have her in color Melted Marshmallow. Okay. And I scooped her up from Best Wig Outlet for $196.06 with 30% off. Let's talk about her. She's stunning. This color is so beautiful. I have clips of me getting together, and you can see the cap construction. There are no combs in this wig, and this is a lace front from here to here, and then with this lace parting. The rooting on this is gorgeous. It's a beautiful number 6-ish root. It is a medium brown root, and then you have these very cool toned blondes in here, cool tone browns, and these platinum tips are stunning. She's like this bob style. I have her tucked behind my ear because you know how I feel about stuff, but I can take her out and we can see. I did use some hairspray in her to keep her sort of out of my face, but you can see that she's got sort of these longer pieces in the front. I really liked to just sort of use a brown brush with her. She's not heat safe. I did not use heat on her. Tuck this behind my ear here. Okay, and then on this side, as you can see, I mean, the rooting on this is so pretty. So I'm just going to use this round brush to really accentuate the curls, and then I am going to spray her up a bit. All I did was put a tiny bit of powder along the hairline. The lace is pretty light colored and fairly transparent, so it wasn't necessary. It's just something I like to do to sort of blend in, especially because the foundation I was using is just a tad bit dark. Not dark for me, but dark for winter. And see, yeah, so I'm just spraying her to keep her in place. She'd look so cute with like a clip up like this. This is sort of a light yaki texture. This is a nice density. She's probably about 12 inches or so. You could sort of fluff her out a little bit, or you could coif her a little bit, you know, so it's more tight and sculpted to the face. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, look at how cute that is. Movement is so cute. I really like this color. It's really interesting. You know, I love an ashy blonde. This is sort of an ashy brown blonde mix, so I think it's a great, you know, in-between color, and a nice transition if you wanted to go sort of from that ashy brown to blonde, but you weren't ready to like dive all the way in. The one thing is that this is a smaller wig cap for sure. I have a wig grip on, but I needed the wig grip in order because there's no combs in the back to keep this back part down. But I think in general, as opposed to wig caps, this is going to be a smaller wig cap, so it's going to be in that average to petite wig cap realm. Other than that, I love this wig. I love the color, I love the feel, I love the versatility. Even though it's a short wig, like I said, you could really take and accentuate these curls a bit and train this a little bit. You could do that with like water and things if you wanted to do a little bit more with her. I'm going to end up clipping this part up and doing like a cute little style. But yeah, so that's SAFI. I know this is one of their newer releases, so if you have this wig, let me know what you think down below. If you have any other wigs from this particular line, also let me know down below. If there's another Rene Paris wig that you would like me to review, also put that down below. I will put my name brand wig playlist so you can see what I have reviewed so far. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!